AI influencers are going viral right now and they're earning thousands of dollars for agencies. But the problem is, these AI influencers can't talk, walk, or do any of the typical influencer activities. In this video, I'm going to show you an amazing text-to-3D AI avatar generator called Rendora AI, which can create hyper-realistic 3D avatars that can talk, walk, wink, pout, take selfies, smile, show emotions like anger or pleasure, and even strike all the Gen Z poses. You can customize these 3D avatars by changing their outfits, makeup, and accessories, making them ready for any use case scenario. You can also generate 3D scenes and environments to place these 3D avatars in. Alright, so here's the idea. I want this AI avatar to do a product launch video. Let's get started by going to Rendora AI's website. The link is in the description. Click on Create and select Landscape Mode, and we'll get this default scene and avatar. First, let's create our avatar. I'll click on Avatar and choose the gender of the character. I want a female influencer, so I'll select the gender as female and see what we've got. We've got these good-looking avatars with professional outfits. If you hover over these characters, it shows you all the cool movements they can do. Let's select this one. This avatar will now replace the default character. We can customize her even more by clicking on the Edit button. This opens a new menu that gives us so many options to choose from. The first one is the Facial menu, which we can use to change features like the forehead, cheeks, chin, etc. I think she looks good already, so I'll move on. Let's change her hairstyle so we can see the changes on her face more clearly. Let's select something short. Ultra short? Okay, let's go with that. Now let's check the makeup. Nope. Nope. I think this one looks good, but I prefer her default makeup. Let me reset it to her original look. Let's change her earrings now. With the short hair, I think studs or drops will work well. I kind of like these. They go well with her outfit and aren't too long. Now, let's finalize her hairstyle. Something not too long, but not too short. This one looks perfect. It's both professional and cute. The cool part is you can change the hair color too. Now, let's switch her outfit. There are hundreds of outfits to choose from. I literally kept scrolling and scrolling, and the outfits just never end. And guess what? I noticed that some of these outfits even come with matching accessories, like necklaces, shoes, bracelets, and so much more. How cool is that? Alright, I need her to do the product demo today, so I'll go with something professional, something easy on the eyes, but still classy. Let's filter the style to formal and see what we've got. Ooh, looks like this outfit has additional options to customize. I can change the color of the suit, the skirt, and even the sandals. There's also an option to show a logo on the outfit. You can select any of the available logos here and it gets displayed right on the outfit. Plus, you can upload your own company logo, but I think that's a feature available with the Enterprise plan.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I've finalized the outfit for her, and honestly, I think she looks fantastic. Let's try a few motion actions to see how she moves. Take a selfie. Trapped in a box. Thinking. Perfect. Now, we'll just click on Save and Apply, and let's give her a name. Click on Save, and voila, the avatar is ready. Now you can place this avatar in any studio. There are so many scenes, environments, and studios to choose from, and some of them offer insane levels of camera control. You can choose whether you want a large stage, a small stage, a news studio, a studio set, indoor space, outdoor space, and so much more. And if you go to the templates section, there are tons of ready-made templates available. For example, I want her to do a product demo, so I'll choose the template for product demo. Next, let's type the script we want our avatar to speak. You can choose any language. It's incredible how many options there are. I'll pick English. Now we can select the voice for our avatar. Let's listen to some samples and pick the one that fits best.
This amazing movie shows that life has so many possibilities.
A large part of social media, especially something like YouTube.
I'll choose this voice and continue. You can even translate the script to another language if you'd like. Now let's select a shot for our first scene. In each scene, you can highlight the words and choose a camera shot for emphasis. You can even select an action that you want the AI to perform, like nodding, saying thank you, or pointing in different directions. You can customize each action to match your script perfectly. We can also add pauses to the speech. Sometimes pauses are so important. They make the delivery sound more natural instead of robotic or monotonous. To display visuals, like your product, presentation, or anything else you want to showcase, you can add them to your scene. There are tons of layouts that you can choose and modify according to your brand. After making all the adjustments, click on 3D Generate, and it will start rendering your scene. Once it's done rendering, it will automatically play the scene.
Hello, everyone. It is a great honor to join you at this momentous occasion.
If you're not satisfied with the video, you can keep editing, and it will take you back to the edit page. You can also cam edit to tweak the camera movements and angles for each scene. If your brand or show has an intro and outro, you can easily add those here by enabling the opening and ending option and uploading your assets. You can click on the plus icon to keep adding multiple scenes, backgrounds, and speech until you reach the end of your script. Finally, once everything is just right, click on Export and your video will be ready. If you're stuck anywhere while creating the video, don't worry. There are tons of tutorials on their page, and they even have a cute little chatbot that can answer your questions if you need help. And that's it. You've got your very own AI-generated 3D avatar video.
Hello, everyone. It is a great honor to join you at this momentous occasion. Let's unveil the mystery of the new Osmo Pocket 3 together. In this new product, we have introduced advanced phase detection technology for the first time, which allows for instantaneous and accurate recognition and locking of targets. Whether in low-light environments or fast-moving scenes, it ensures the clarity and precision of your shots. This makes capturing every moment more effortless, allowing the joy of photography to be free from any limitations. Let's talk about image stabilization. We understand that handheld shooting can often lead to camera shake. To address this, the Pocket 3 is equipped with an intelligent stabilization algorithm. By utilizing the built-in gyroscope and accelerometer, it continuously monitors and compensates for any slight camera movements in real time. Even while hiking or riding in a vehicle, you can effortlessly capture professional-grade photos. We hope that with this product, photography becomes a way to express oneself and share emotions, allowing everyone to easily master and enjoy the art of photography. Thank you.
That was so cool. And guess what? You can do the same with different AI avatars from various countries, representing different races and ethnicities, and even in multiple languages. You can customize outfits for different seasons and occasions, all while keeping a consistent AI avatar. Imagine the amazing content you could create: keynote speeches, virtual conferences, recruitment training, tourism guides, instructional tutorials like the one I'm doing, knowledge sharing sessions, TED Talks, online lectures, product launch events, social media promos, influencer videos, news broadcasts, and so much more. The possibilities are endless. So what are you waiting for? Use my link in the video and you'll get 900 free credits to try it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool AI content. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next one.